My name is Jared Boone, and I am a student of the Advanced Automation Robotics Technology program. I am initially from Wabash and currently working at Mid-State Engineering as a controls engineer. So about my story, I never thought that education was a possibility for me. I had to walk away from a full-time position with benefits, and that was something that was incredibly hard for me to do. But it was certainly worth it, because when I came to Ivy Tech, it was pretty overwhelming. I didn't understand the classes very well, but here I am 2 years later and getting to work as a full-time position as a controls engineer in the degree that I sought out.
Hi, my name's John Nelson. I work at Mid-State Engineering. We are an automated solutions provider. We've been providing automated solutions since 2008. I met Jared in his early years of high school. One day he asked me what I did for a living, and in short, I told him I play with robots all day. A few years ago, Jared asked me to review the AART program offered from Ivy Tech. After review, I told him that this is a solid foundation for a controls engineer position within our company.
Working at Mid-State Engineering became a goal about halfway through my program. I realized that I am an entry-level student, and I wanted to start getting real-world experience and seeing how I can start applying all the knowledge and the skills that I've been learning, and an internship was a great opportunity for me to be able to do that.
Over the course of Jared's internship, he worked on many different projects, from welding and palletizing and 2D and 3D vision-guided applications. He really did an amazing job. Jared was our first intern at Mid-State Engineering, and after seeing his passion for programming in the robotics field, we had to bring him on full-time.
The CareerLink team helped me by creating a connection with Mid-State Engineering that I didn't have. There wasn't an internship program that existed with Mid-State, and CareerLink Services reached out and created that connection for me. Because they created that connection, I was able to start as an intern, and by starting as an intern, that kind of led into where I am now as a full-time position as a controls engineer.
With Jared's foundation, we fast-tracked him through the robotic, PLC, and HMI applications to ultimately doing projects by himself. He was able to hit the ground running, as they say.
One of my favorite things was that being an intern gave me the opportunity that I needed to learn and start applying everything that I've been learning, because the internship gave me the opportunity to learn without having such a heavy expectation of contributing. Doing the internship program helped me with that and gave me the time I needed to learn, to start applying everything that I've been learning in school.
My advice to Ivy Tech students: companies are not only looking for someone to do the job, they're looking for someone to do the job and fits in well with the team. I would recommend every student to work with the CareerLink department. Ivy Tech CareerLink Services works to build relationships with employers to give students an advantage.
I would advise students to reach out to CareerLink Services, because if it wasn't for them, I wouldn't have the position that I have right now.
I'd like to thank Ivy Tech CareerLink Services for the added efficiency that Jared has provided within our company. Ivy Tech CareerLink helps bridge the gap.
I would also recommend to students that they start an internship before they even graduate, so that you can start learning how to apply all the knowledge that you've been taught in the classrooms, and also give you a feel for kind of what the real world has in store for you. I wanted to thank Ivy Tech Kokomo for getting me to where I am now. Because of my education, I am allowed to do what I want to do for a living, and I enjoy doing what I do for a living. I also wanted to thank Mid-State Engineering for recruiting me and training me, because the knowledge that I have today, I continue to build off that knowledge every single day.
Jared is the perfect example of Ivy Plus CareerLink working to change students' lives through developing employability skills with work and learn opportunities. It's been Ivy Tech Kokomo's pleasure to watch Jared get his foot in the door, and we can't wait to watch him kick it down.